last video of the day, folks. Today we got another good matchup for you guys. So we got this one. We got this is a good matchup. 15 versus a 2. It's gonna be self-explanatory. It's gonna be a blowout, if you will, if this is a sports game. But it's not. It's gonna be an easy beatdown. So let's get started. I think we already got the 4 seconds in, the 10 seconds out of the way almost. I'm just gonna wait a little bit longer because 10 seconds is actually pretty longer than you think when you're actually talking. So I think we did our job out there. So let's get this started. It was not 10 seconds, but I do a little bit quickly. Then it might be 8 or 9 seconds. It just depends. But you can always pause the video so you can read this that word. Oh. Oh. Ah, that's a lot of power, and it's already over. Bad defensive issues. Like, I feel like Blizzard would have been okay if it didn't have those defensive issues. You know, it's 4-8. It still cracked 4 wins, but it could have cracked at least a winning record if it didn't have to have defensive issues. Especially with those things forked out. I don't know what I was thinking making that defensive strategy, offensive strategy. But this one is defensive, like crap ton. Really, really good defensively. Ow, choked over one. They're trying to kill me now. Time to put in the torture chamber. I don't even know what I call it. Elimination chamber. Anyway, build those. So we get Ancient Shield without a surprise at all. Moving on. Entirely, Quadrant I is finished entirely. I'll try to do maybe a combination video of a few of them, but I don't think my swords can handle that. So I'm just going to do them one by one. It's kind of a shame because I got 4th of Clonedale shoot for the entire video, entirely. Maybe highlights, I don't know, I might recover some information. I feel like it's still possible. I'll do what I can. But there you go, Adele. Oh yeah, I forgot to kill XSC too. So no upsets, first quadrant, first round.